Forget regular bhel. Today we are unlocking the secret of absolute king of Karnataka street food, Nargis Mandakki. It is intensely flavorful, highly addictive, and takes less than 10 minutes to whip up. Trust me, your tea breaks will never be the same again. So let's jump on and whip it up in 10 minutes for the best ever snacks which you can remember. Just to heat it a little bit of an oil, add and then green chili, and let's fry the onion for a couple of minutes, say like 2 to 3 minutes. Don't make onion to be golden brown also. Add the salt and let it fry for a while. We are about to finish it. Stir it for some time. And let's go to the next step of adding next vegetable is tomato. You can cut the tomato in various sizes or shapes and stir it while. After stirring it, let's add some more coriander leaves and stir it again to get it fried for a while. And let's bring in the mandaki or the puffed rice to the fried onion tomatoes and then mix this. Now, as soon as you mix it, your snack is ready to be enjoyed. Along with the tea time or evening snacks time while you're watching any TV serials or movies, this is the best way to enjoy. I'm sure you will enjoy this dish. And as in a topping, add some grated coconut so that it gives a bit of a crunchy, juicy flavor. Serve it in a plate and enjoy it. If you have enjoyed and liked the video or loved the snacks, if you have tried it and tasted whatsoever, please do comment and let us know how was the snacks. And don't forget to do the SLC. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you for watching.